What's up, guys? Today we're gonna spice up the truck a little by putting a new exhaust on it, and about to show you right here what I went with. Alright, so I went with the MBRP 4-inch exhaust, as you can see right here, pretty wide. Got that 4-inch diameter. I'm pretty sure stock is a 3-inch, so definitely gonna help it out as always. But I went with the muffler on this one instead of going straight pipe, because I honestly didn't want to make my neighbors mad. But if it's not loud enough in the future, or I don't like the sound, I'm pretty sure MBRP offers like a 30-inch tube. You can just replace it and run a pure straight pipe back. But for now, I'm just gonna try this out, see how it sounds. And also, got a tip for it as well. As you can see right here, it's matte black, 8-inch. Look at that, you can play basketball on this. But I didn't want that massive 10-inch because I thought it'd be too big. But so I went down to an 8-inch, and I'm still not sure how this is gonna look, but we're gonna try it out. Gonna go with the axle dump. So as you'll see today, gonna mount it behind the axle and just dump it off right there, obviously. And so let's just get right into it, and I'll show you guys the process a little. I'm not gonna make it step by step, just gonna show you like a quick run through of me putting it on, and then from there I'll do a little start up and see how it sounds. Hopefully it sounds like a little beast. So check you guys later. Finished the exhaust, and it sounds pretty freaking good. So basically, I'm just gonna go around, show you a summary of some of the things I did and the problems I encountered, and then obviously give you guys some sound clips of what it sounds like. And yeah, let's get right into it. Alright, so right here there's 2 bolts for the downpipe, and they're really tricky to get to, so we had to use like a ratchet extender to get down from the very bottom to come up to the top from behind, because they obviously don't screw from the top, screw from the bottom, so you had to get underneath and use the extender. So that was a tricky part right there, but other than that, that wasn't too bad. Alright, so as you can see underneath, here's the new one, nice and shiny. There we go. So for the old one, I cut it right about here where the muffler's at, and way down there, because I wanted to save it and pull the whole thing out, but there was no way of getting the whole old muffler and all that over the axle and the little skid plate section right there. So I had to cut it and then drop the whole thing. But the new one wasn't too hard to put on. Basically self-explanatory. It's a 2-person job, just needs someone else holding it up. Other than that, super easy. And let's go around back and show you the real goodie. So in the back, kind of see right here over the axle, went with the obvious axle dump, 8 inches. And it looks way better than I thought it did. Take you back over here, get a good view. It's kind of black. Let me zoom in on it. kind of see right there. See, that looks nice. Look at that. Now just for some coal to roll out. That'll be coming eventually. But yeah, that's pretty good. Sounds pretty good. Show you guys that here real quick. But yeah, just clamp that on up in here. Didn't really need to cut anything. The piping it came with ended right there. And just clamped it on. So all in all, it wasn't too hard to install. Didn't need any extra parts or anything. Everything just fit right in. Pretty self-explanatory. So yeah, I'll leave a link down below of what I brought at the MBRP 4-inch with the muffler on it, because I didn't want to piss my neighbors off. But like I said before, if I want to make it louder, I'm just gonna drop that muffler and put a straight pipe in there. But for now, I'm gonna work with this and see how I like it. So now I'm just gonna show you some clips and go from there. Hope you guys tell me what you guys think of it. I like it so far. I've been driving around for a couple hours. It's a lot funner, and it's funner word. I guess to be more grammatically correct, it's more fun to drive now. But yeah, now I gotta start adding some more stuff, and just subscribe for more videos. Alright, here we go.